Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So kuneyindaba ke iphumile namhlanje. uHugo Broos uyi-announcile namhlanje i-prelim squad yakhe. Ubabizile abadlali azokhetha kubona abawudlala kwi-AFCON. Khumbulani ke nge-AFCON ilapho khona ezokhetha abadlali abawu-23. So kulabo ababizile ilapho ezokhetha khona. Angababizanga kule squad lesi ngeke babe khona kwi-AFCON, ngeke babe khona kuhlu lwabadlali azobakhetha. So mengekho umdlalo omthandayo la, it likely ukuthi ngeke aze abe khona for i-AFCON. So naba ke abadlali ababizi goalkeeper babizile. Number 1 goalkeeper uRonon Williams siyamazi udlalela eMamelodi Sundowns, mase kuthi number 2 uRicardo Gos wesiwelele. Angazi indaba uRicardo Gos esabizwa, but ke umbizile naba mfethu uRicardo Gos, mase kuba uSipho Chain Orlando Pirates, mase kuba uRenaldo Liena weSkokuno United, mase kuba ubani uDarren Johnson wamaZulu. I'm very happy to see uDarren Johnson kule list le. Lo mjidi uvimba kakhulu for uSuthu ulithola ugoalkeeper kakhulu. Lo mjidi lo beqhama kwiChief amenikhumbula kahle. Another goalkeeper ubizi uBrendan Peterson weKaizer Chiefs. Mina iKaizer Chiefs fans we crying ukuthi uPeterson wayengabizwa. Nakho ke uPeterson useyithole osohlwini lo goalkeeper ekuzokhethwa kubona ukuthi bayele kwiAFCON. It's likely ukuthi sothola uGos, uChain, uWilliams, but ke sizobona yini ukuthi uGos uzokwazi nokumthatha this time, because siyambona uBrendan Peterson wenza kahle, uDarren Johnson naye wenza kahle, noRenaldo Liena naye wenza kahle. Asazi it's tough, but ke wona wangitshela ukuthi uba ugoalkeeper bazokhethwa. Masiza kuma-defenders, defender lokuqala Khulisa Modawu weSundowns, uFezile Gcaba weDurban City odlala kahle, mase kuba ubani uThabang Matolodi wePolokwane City who is likely to be called up, mase kuba uThabo Moloisane who is very linked with the Orlando Pirates odlalela iSteelers, mase kuba uKhulumani Ndabane webani weTS Galaxy mjito ongenzeka join iSundowns. Another player Mbekezeli Mbokazi we-Orlando Pirates nayo kungenzeka ishi Orlando Pirates ngeindaba esiyizwayo these days. uPrimo Diba is another defender bafethu okuzokhethwa kulona. Amanye ama-defender lawo Ime Ocon udlala le eGermany, mase kuba uSamukelo Kabini naye udlala le eNorway, mase kuba uKeegan Allen odlalela amaZulu, a very good defender bafethu uKeegan Allen. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona la. Vuyo Letlapa is another defender, a left back edlalela iSkokuno FC. Nkosinathi Sibisi Orlando Pirates. Malibongwe Khoza umjida ngizwa kuthiwa uyalunga amancane lapha kweMamelodi Sundowns besane injury naye usohlwini lama defenders okuzokhethwa kubona. Siyabonga ngezana udlala le Romania. Thapelo Morena udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. Thabiso Monyane weKaizer Chiefs is another player bafethu uzokhethwa again. Tylon Smith, the young player bafethu odlala le eEngland. Manikhumbula kahle ke bafethu uTylon Smith obehambile ebambe ibhande lika captain ke AFCON ya under 20. Manikhumbula kahle ke Fawaz Pasadine weMamelodi Sundowns. I'm very surprised to see Fawaz Pasadine ekule list, but ke kuyangijabulisa ukumbona naye ibiziwe. Mase kuba uBradley Cross weKaizer Chiefs naye bafethu usohlwini labadlali abazobizwa bama defender. Ungangitshela ukuthi which of the defenders ongenzeka abizwe, ungangitshela ama comments. Mase ukuthi kuma midfielders, imidfielder yokuqala uTebogo Mokoena, obvious uTebogo uyahamba bafethu. uLick Leroux odlala le England bafethu umjida ubiziwe ke naye this time. Mukhumbula kahle sekwabizwa vele before. Abanye badlala kuzokwenza kukhethwe kubona bathi uSiopas odlalela iSundowns, Talente Mbatha weOrlando Pirates. There's another obvious pick right there, Spesihle Mkhize weSkokuno United, Spesihle Maduna weTS Galaxy, Ndamulelo Maphangulo wePolokwane City, Siphephele Sithole odlalela le ePortugal naye. That's another obvious choice right there. Masindi Nemtajela, mase kuthi umthetheleni Mthiyane odlalela iSteelers. Yabo ibona ke lawo ama midfielders ongenzeka kukhethwe kuona. Ungangitshela wona ama comments imaphi ama midfielders azothathwa uHugo Broos. Ithafu ke nale bafethu. Ithafu le, but ke I feel like uMbatha beno Sithole beno lumjida lo uTebogo Mokoena. I feel like obvious labo. Mase siza kuma forwards, siyabona ke le ama forwards abantu abaningi bayakhala kakhulu, abantu abaningi bayacomplaina regards with ama forwards. Yabo ngizoqala nje ngoSuna Police, obvious Osuna Police ubezokhethwa mfethu. Yabo Osuna Police ubezokhethwa nje. I don't think ukhona umuntu ongayi-oppose le decision. Kamohelo Sibelebele currently umjidi une-injury ku-Orlando Pirates. It's highly unlikely to see him getting picked by Hugo Broos. Patrick Tito Maswanganyi is another player ongenziwa khethwe kuyena. Ikram Reyners weMamelodi Sundowns. Mduduzi Shabalala ongijabule kakhulu ukumbona kule list le bafethu. uMhawu is another player obiziwe bafethu, ongenzeka akhethwe. Obvious uzokhetha uMhawu. Another player bafethu uThemba Zwane, Themba Mshishi Zwane. Ade ke sagcina ukumbona uThemba Zwane. Kade sagcina ukumbona uThemba Zwane. Ingabe uzokwazi ukuthi akhethwe uHugo Broos? Ingabe uHugo Broos uzokwazi ukuthi amlande ayodlala iAFCON? Asazi, it's highly unlikely, but let's hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi abe fit sibe naye le kwiAFCON. Lyle Foster udlalela iBurnley. Buso Ditejane, Bungubuhle Hlongwane, Tsepang Moremi. Yabo, Hlongwane, Mihlali Mayambela, Ashley Cupido Westelisi bafethu, Evidence Mahopa, mase kuba uSipho Mbule, Keletso Magalwa, Shandre Campbell. I'm very surprised to see uShandre Campbell ebiziwe naye. Ukuhlu lwabadlali okuzokhetha kubona. Yabo, Relebohile Mfokeng is another player, mase kuba Elias Mugwana okungijabulisayo futhi nakhona ukumbona ebiziwe. Buso Ditejane is another player, by the way. Sengikhohliwe ukumbala, kuyangijabulisa ukumbona ke khona kule list le. So ibona ke ama players lawa ekuzokhethwa kuona. Iwona ama players lawa ekuzokhethwa kuona bafethu. Yeah, wangitshela wona ama comments, how do you feel? I saw a lot of comments regarding this issue. Yathemba Nkosi Lodge, but says fans, I think we should let go of that situation. Hugo Broos knows what he's doing. Yabo, sekumsebenzele kaningi before asimyekeni akwenze njengamanje. But ke wena, how do you feel about these players ekuzokhethwa kubona for the AFCON 2025 esiyidlala le eMorocco? Do you think these players are capable of bringing the AFCON trophy like South Africa? Do you think singakwazi ukuthi siyiwine le tournament this time? Because last time saphuma sekusele kancane ukuthi siyiwine. This time, do you think sizokwazi ukuthi siwine?